Good morning, students. In the last class, we started the ninth question prepositions. What is the prepositions and kinds of preposition? And prepositions are we can learn on the time, prepositions of time, prepositions of place, prepositions of direction. Okay, in the last class we started prepositions of time. Okay, the remaining prepositions of time in this session we will learn. Okay. Prepositions of time, the remaining one by. By is used to latest time at which action will over. For example, he will have finished the work by tomorrow evening. By tomorrow evening. This is commonly used in the present perfect tense. The action will have completed in future. Okay, the project will have been completed or will have completed by next month, third week. Okay, like these expressions. He will have finished the work by tomorrow evening. Next, since shows point of time. It's commonly used in the present perfect continuous tense. I have been living here since 1999. Point of time. He has been smoking since last month. I have been waiting for you since 9 o'clock. Okay, these 9 o'clock, month, 1999, these are the exact point of time. The next one, for. For shows period of time. They have been playing cricket for 2 hours. Here, what is the difference between since and for? Here we not mentioned the exact or point of time. They have been playing cricket for 2 hours. When at exact what time they started, we don't know. Next, we have been listening classes for 4 hours. Our principal has been working in this college for 10 years. Next, from. From shows the starting point of an action. The starting point of an action. For example, our annual examinations will commence from 2nd March. Actually not in this year, but generally from 2nd March. From 2nd May or 2nd April, like this. Okay, until here the prepositions of time is over. Next, prepositions of place or position. Okay, the first at. At also used time expressions and as well as prepositions. In direction also at preposition is used. But here you observe carefully. It shows an exact point or place or smaller town. It is used in the as a preposition at a point, exact point or place or smaller towns. For example, I will meet you at bus stop, at school or at college, at a meeting, at the meeting or at Sultanabad. Sultanabad is the smaller town. If you tell, for example, I have a friend. He lives at Dilshuk Nagar in Hyderabad. Dilshuk Nagar is the small area. Hyderabad is the vast larger place. So, before the smaller towns, at is used. Larger towns, in. Okay, next, the second one, in. Before larger towns. For example, he lives in Bangalore. He lives in Bangalore. Bangalore is the large city. Next, he works in New York. Okay, next, between. Between shows the position between two things or persons. Divide this apple between these two girls. Only when we are telling about two persons or things. Rama sat between Sarita and Harita. Okay, like this. Okay, next, between. Okay, next, among. Among shows position between more than two persons or things. If only we are telling about two persons or things, between is used. More than two persons or things, among is used. For example, the old man shared this property among his 5 sons. Among his 5 sons. Next, you observe very carefully. These are space or place or position expressions. Above, over. Below, under. Above, higher than. clouds are above the hills. Over. Clouds are above the hills. Hills పైన ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ఓవర్ వెర్టికల్లీ అబౌవ్. ద ఫ్యాన్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్ హెడ్స్. ది ఆర్ వెర్టికల్లీ, ఇన్ తెలుగు నిటారుగా తలల పైన. నెక్స్ట్ బిలో, లోయర్ దాన్. ద వాలీ ఈజ్ బిలో ద హిల్. నెక్స్ట్ అండర్, vertically below. The cat is under the table. Below, under, both are lower than meaning. But here under is exactly something. Here above is higher, over is higher. But over is vertically above. Okay? These are the prepositions of time and prepositions of the place. Okay. I will give the notes with diagrammatical lines, diagrammatical. I will send tomorrow, or I will told on the blackboard. Otherwise I will send to the notes. Okay, you have to write down these notes in the orderly in your fair notes. Okay, if you have any doubts. Okay, thank you.